subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Ptron newest edition of smart wearables, the Pulsefit P261 Smartwatch and Pulsefit F121 Smart Band at Rs 1,299 and Rs 899 respectively. P261 Smartwatch comes in two color options, Steel Blue and Inferno Black, whereas the F121 Smart Band comes in four color options, Active Green, Red, Racing Blue and Onyx Black. Pulsefit P261 and F121 come with a 1-year standard brand warranty and will be available on sale on Flipkart.com from. Pulsefit P261 Smartwatch features a 1.54-inch curved display with a metal casing. Display has a 240 by 240 HD resolution. Smartwatch comes with features like touch-enabled wireless calling with smart notifications, 8 sports modes and customizable watch faces. Device features Bluetooth V4.0 connectivity and is claimed to run for up to 3 days on a single charge. Founder and CEO, Ptron, commented at the launch, "The smart wearables market has witnessed strong growth in the past year as holistic health management took the center stage amidst the COVID-19 scare. We believe that good health belongs to all and realized that there was a demand for affordable options in the category that can cater to everyone's health and wellness needs." With the mantra of #Be More Do More, the Pulsefit series is made to allow everyone access to devices and features that can help them improve their health without paying a premium. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.